Hello, welcome to our next episode on low blood pressure. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from 8. Orthostatic hypotension, cause, a sudden drop in blood pressure when standing up, often due to aging, dehydration, or nervous system disorders. Impact, causes dizziness or fainting upon changing positions. 9. Pregnancy, cause, hormonal changes during the first and second trimesters cause blood vessels to relax and expand, leading to lower blood pressure. Impact. This is usually temporary and resolves after delivery. 10. Shock. Types of shock: hypovolemic shock, caused by blood loss or dehydration; cardiogenic shock, caused by heart failure; anaphylactic shock, severe allergic reaction causing vessel dilation and pressure drop; septic shock, result of severe infection. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 11. Nervous system disorders, conditions: autonomic dysfunction. Problems in the autonomic nervous system can disrupt blood pressure regulation. Parkinson's disease affects nervous system control over blood pressure. 12. Lifestyle factors: prolonged bed rest can weaken the heart and blood vessel function. Overuse of alcohol or drugs leads to vasodilation and lower pressure. 13. Severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, cause: allergic reactions can lead to sudden vasodilation, expansion of blood vessels, and a rapid drop in blood pressure. If you or someone you know experiences chronic or severe low blood pressure, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.